Welcome to the heart of American manufacturing. Today, we're looking at how the AR-15 goes from raw metal to a finished rifle. It all starts with forgings, thick chunks of high-grade 7075T6 aluminum that roughly resemble the shape of the gun. These forgings are placed into CNC machines. These are robot-controlled carvers that use drill bits to shave away metal with extreme precision. The machine carves out the magwell where the ammunition goes, and the trigger pocket where the brains of the gun sit. Next is the upper receiver. This is the part that holds the bolt and the barrel. It's carved with the same robotic accuracy. Now let's talk about the barrel. It starts as a solid rod of steel. A hole is drilled straight through the center from end to end. Inside that hole, we cut rifling spiral grooves that make the bullet spin like a football for better accuracy. The barrel is then contoured, meaning the outside is shaved down to make it the right weight and shape for the shooter. Both the aluminum receivers and the steel barrel need protection. The aluminum is anodized, a chemical bath that turns it black and hard. The steel barrel is often treated with nitride or Cerakote to prevent rust and handle the high heat of firing. Now we move to the bolt carrier group, or BCG. This is the engine of the rifle that moves back and forth to fire. The BCG is made of hardened steel and must be perfectly smooth to glide inside the rifle without sticking. Assembly begins. A technician installs the lower parts kit. This includes the trigger, the safety selector, and the springs. Next comes the buffer tube at the back. This holds a heavy spring that soaks up the kickback, or recoil when you fire. Over on the upper station, the barrel is mated to the receiver. A large barrel nut is torqued down to lock them together forever. The gas system is installed. A small tube runs from the barrel back to the receiver to redirect gas and cycle the action. The handguard is slid over the barrel. This is what the shooter holds, so they don't burn their hands on the hot metal. Now, the two halves meet. The upper and lower receivers are joined by two simple takedown pins. The furniture is added. The pistol grip for your hand, and the adjustable buttstock for your shoulder. Quality control is the most important step. Every rifle is inspected by hand to ensure the parts fit perfectly. We use go and no-go gauges. These are fake metal bullets that check if the space inside the gun is safe for real ammo. Every single rifle is proof-fired. It is taken to an underground range and fired with a high-pressure round to test its strength. If the rifle passes the stress test, it is cleaned, oiled, and laser engraved with a unique serial number for tracking. The AR-15 is modular, meaning it can be built in thousands of different ways depending on what the customer needs. Some are built for hunting, others for competitive sports, and many for home defense or law enforcement use. Modern factories use lean manufacturing, where every second and every movement is optimized for efficiency. Despite the machines, it still takes a human eye to ensure the trigger pull feels just right and the sights are straight. Parts are sourced from all over the country, steel from the Midwest, plastic from the South, and engineering from the coast. Finally, the rifle is boxed up with a manual, a lock, and a magazine, ready to be shipped to a licensed dealer. From a block of aluminum to a precision tool, that is how the AR-15 is made in America. Thanks for watching.